Hello, thank you for coming and listening to this video again with My Life Financial. Again, we created this video series just to give you the most simple information, make it easier for you guys and for us. You can always go back and watch any of those videos again, and then we are always here to reach out to. We've got a full team here at My Life Financial, and we're here to help you with anything. We just really wanted to reassure that you are not losing Medicare, especially for those of you that have been on a Medicare Advantage plan in the state of Wyoming with UnitedHealthcare or any of the other carriers that is now leaving the state of Wyoming, except those three counties. But anything else, we just want to reassure you that you are not losing your Medicare. Medicare Part A and Medicare Part B are still going to be active. There are changes with the costs of the premiums, the copays, and those things with A and B. There's changes, but that is still active for every single one of you, unless you do something different with that. But it is still staying active. Again, we just want to let you know we're here to help you. Go back and listen to these videos if you need, and then also give us a call, 435-557-3170. You can call or text this number. Just so you know, if you call the 3170 number, 99.9% of the time, it's not going to be myself that answers. It's either going to be Christy, who does all of our individual health insurance. It's going to be Jane, who is our front office administrator, or it's going to be Austin. Most likely it's going to be Jane or Christy that is going to answer that. But please, if you have anything to share with them, please share it with them, and they can put it on my calendar, put it in the notes, reach out to me, anything, or with Austin or Christy. Our whole team has access to all of the information, all of your information, the notes, anything. So just please know that you can share that with them. They'll get it scheduled on my calendar or whoever it needs to be with. So again, just call that number. Also letting you know that our office during this open enrollment time is open Monday at 9 a.m. to Friday at 5 p.m. It says 4 p.m., but a lot of times during the open enrollment time, we'll go till 5 p.m. if we have appointments. So on our website and stuff, it says 4 p.m. But during this busy time, we are here to help you. So please go there, and then you can request anything. Our office address is 849 Front Street, Suite 102 in Evanston, Wyoming, 82930. It's in this big brown building. If you guys know where Ace Hardware is, or the newspaper, or BMO Bank, we're in the same building as the newspaper and BMO Bank. If you go in the main lobby area, you'll see the Suite 102 with My Life Financial. So please come in here. And you guys, I just want to really stress, we appreciate the opportunity to help you with your insurance. We've helped many people with health insurance, Medicare, life insurance, protecting retirement income, dental, vision, hearing, and a lot of other things. And we really appreciate that you give trust in us. We're not perfect. We've made mistakes. We've done some things, and we really apologize if we ever make a mistake, but we're really here to help you guys. And we really appreciate that you give us the opportunity to help you. There's going to be a lot of other people that have questions too. We love referrals. We love the opportunity to help your friends and families and neighbors and anybody else that you hear having questions with this. So please let us know. But go back, listen to these things again, and then pay attention to this YouTube channel, because we're going to start posting a lot more content and information here to keep you guys updated with the changes and things that are available in our state and throughout the country. You guys have a great day, and thank you for trusting My Life Financial.